I'm Leo.
I'm Kyle.
Here's Jefferson. And today we got more Kinder Eggs.
Hey guys, welcome
You can look at here.
Hey guys, welcome
They're in the fall.
Hey, can it toy?
They're right here. Someone backwards, sorry. We're gonna open one by one. We each get the same one each time. So here you go.
And here. That eats. That eats.
Here you go.
What's that, Jefferson?
The eyeballs.
They have eyeballs? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, eyeball.
Yeah.
Is that for Halloween? Is that Kinder Joy for Halloween?
Yeah, for Halloween.
Ooh, Kinder Joy for Halloween.
We got a Fusco.
Oh, you can get at Fusco.
Not Costco.
No Costco, Fusco.
I know.
What? What's that?
Happy face.
Is that a happy face? Show me a happy face. Show him. How about you? Can you make a happy face? Do a happy face yourself. Is that a happy face or that's a silly face?
Silly face.
No, Happy. Happy face. No. Happy face.
Okay, happy face.
Happy face.
I opened mine.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
Open
gonna
mine. Open mine.
They come in different kinds of sets, like
Open.
eyeball, like many others.
There's like a vampire with 2 teeth.
No, Happy.
And there's one with just teeth. There's one with eyeball and eyeballs.
What can I do?
Open yours ones.
Let's see if they come with.
Which toy do they come with? We're gonna see them right now. Wait, which is yours?
He got it.
Wait, I don't see it. Show me again.
Wait, what's your name?
What is that?
Monkey panda.
Monkey panda?
What's a monkey panda? Oh,
I've never heard of a monkey panda before.
I got a boy.
And monkey.
one trade. One trade. Carl, one trade.
Is that a goblin?
I think so.
One trade.
This is a goblin.
No, it's mine.
Carla has a goblin.
Carl, you want trade?
Yours is a monkey and Carla's a goblin? How's that?
Mine is some type of monster.
Can I see, Elia?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Big. Ooh, you can turn the head. Can you turn your head, Jefferson?
And these are all the characters. These are all the characters.
Oh, wait, I don't see. How many characters?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
8 characters to collect.
Ooh. But what was that in the back?
That's how you like put them. You put them in water.
For what?
Subject. Oh, and they change their face of color. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool. Okay, let's open another one.
He opened.
Where's mine? This one's cool.
How do you change the face?
Okay, I'm gonna open.
I'm gonna open this one.
I'm gonna open this one.
Because it matches.
I'm here.
Look.
Mine's a goblin now.
You wanna eat the chocolate?
This one that I have. Cause we can trade it.
Oh, yeah, look at that. How about you? You're gonna eat the chocolate? Okay, open it then. Eat the chocolate. Jefferson's gonna eat the chocolate.
Let's see what we got now.
Is the same?
No, I got this.
Yes, I got
See?
the one I wanted.
I don't see it. Ooh, is that a goblin? What is that?
I think it's a
I'm making a thing. I think.
Is it the
Open
same?
it.
I'm gonna open it.
Look, I got different characters. Oh no. These two match. Because of the forehead.
Oh, look at that. Is that Angel? Jefferson, your chocolate. Jefferson, chocolate. Wait, how many you're opening now? Jefferson. Jefferson, they got stuck.
Oh, there you go.
I'll do magnets? Since how they move?
No, they just have twisters things.
I'm opening another one. I'm opening another one. And there is
A vampire?
Yeah.
Let me see. That's a vampire.
Oh, that's a mommy.
That's a mommy.
Yeah, that's a mommy.
Is that your mommy or a mommy?
Mommy. No. Mommy.
Can you take
Yeah, that's a mommy. Me.
Can we open another one?
How many you open already? Okay, eat it.
I opened 3.
I opened 2 right now. This is my 3rd one.
Look who I got. I don't know who mine.
I
I
got
got
a blue.
Tastes like chocolate? Of course it tastes. You got a mommy
Dude,
too?
I picked this one.
Dude, how many you opening
I
now?
picked this one and I opened it and look what I got. The same one.
Oh, I think the one you picked, that's the one you get.
No.
Yes.
I picked this one.
Uh-oh, what happened? You're eating chocolate?
I
Chocolate.
picked this one and I got this one.
Is it yummy? Yummy chocolate?
This one and I got this one.
Okay.
So it doesn't get the same.
Is this a spider?
Are you going to open all of them?
Yeah.
Well, no, because if you open all of them, we're going to have a lot of chocolate left. And then someone is going to eat it. Right, Jefferson? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. That's dirty now. Don't eat it. It's yucky. Here. Gonna throw in the trash.
I really want to get this.
Let me see. What is that? Oh, chocolate and vanilla. Vanilla. No banana. Vanilla.
Want to get
Vanilla.
this one and wait.
Reenact the person.
Dude, I didn't realize this. It has a belly.
Has a belly. He has a face on the belly. Look at that. So funny.
I didn't realize that.
You know you can put that on your backpacks or in your keychain.
I'm putting my backpack.
Ooh, I want to see your backpack. Go get your backpack. Put it in your backpack.
Okay, but I don't know how.
Well, try it. Carla, you're going to put it in your backpack? Probably. You're not sure. What are you going to do with so many?
Oh, well.
These are backpacks from like the last video that we
Oh,
had.
yeah. If you haven't go check the video out, it's going to be.
Link in the description.
Where's your backpack?
It's going to be in the links down in the description box below.
I can't put it.
This video.
Carla can help you put it on.
Put it.
Say, help me.
Help me, please. But these are cool.
Jefferson, you're enjoying your chocolate only? Just chocolate, that's it? Nothing else?
Which one's your?
This one.
Wow.
This sounds like a clock. Tick tock. Tick tock.
Okay.
Yay!
I see. Bring it closer.
Where did mine?
Ooh, you want to put the other one?
Yeah.
Somewhere else?
I'm gonna put it.
Okay, you're going to open another one?
Yeah, I'm about to open another one.
Let's see. But read the instructions because I don't know what are those for. You're done.
You put them in water and then they turn another color.
What do you think they change color when you put it in the water? Oh, this one is cool. Look at this.
It matches.
Wait, let's see. Oh my god, that's cool.
Yes, a tongue in the tummy, in the belly. You want to open it too? Here, I'm going to squash it.
It's this one.
Squash. And then you open it. And chocolate fell down. And look what's, Jefferson, look what is on this one. The same, you already have it twice.
Whoa! He got this so cute, tiny. Why that?
Oh no, it doesn't fit.
Auntie, he got
Wait, what do they call the gold like
I
spinning
know,
around?
Auntie.
And like baby
It has iron. Well, Jefferson's talking to me, so I can know. So creepy! But remember, it's for Halloween. It's Kinder Joy for Halloween. Ha 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 ha! Halloween. Ha 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 ha! No cookies. Cookies? Cookies for what cookies? What? What? Cookies? Cookies for what?
Why didn't you put something in your bag?
Maybe on my keys.
You don't have keys.
Keychain.
On a keychain?
Yeah.
Except we don't have.
You gonna eat another chocolate, Jefferson?
This is raw chocolate.
Really?
I got the same one. Duplicates.
When the earth gets invaded with these little creatures.
And by the way, there's zombies. Some are vampires, some are zombies.
I know this is a troll.
I think they're getting ready for Halloween. When is Halloween?
In October.
October what?
October 13th.
31st!
30.
Wrong. Wrong.
31st.
Yes. Okay, last one. Last Kinder Joy.
This looks haven't done this.
Yay! I remember this one. Spider.
Same as Jefferson. Jefferson had that one twice. What? What?
You can't tell the difference.
What? Spooky?
I got this one.
Spooky Halloween.
I got all of them.
Ooh, spooky Halloween. Oh, look. Oh, you can rub them. You can rub that one with your hand. Oh, really?
Wait, what?
What? What it says? Rub them and then it will change color. Try it. Try to rub the black one. Try to rub the black one. It will change color. You see? See if it's true. If it change color.
Oh my God! It's changing colors.
Wait, Carla's doing it right now. Let's see if it's true. If you rub it. It does? Cool! Look, it's turning red. Do it more. Rub it, Jefferson. You too.
Let me see.
No, you need to use the black one. The black one. Look for the black one. There's the black one right there. The black one, Jefferson, right here. Look. That one. That black one. Jefferson. Many monsters?
Wait,
Let's
so
see.
all of them
Show it to me now. Show it to me now. Show it to me now.
Let me see.
Show it to us.
Ah!
Look, it's turning red. Yours look like purple.
Like mine. Wait, let me see yours.
Give it to Jefferson. Jefferson wanna rub.
I think they all have different appearance. How you put them in. Oh my God, this one is glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark? Which one? Which one?
The goblin.
Ooh, goblin is glow in the dark. What? What is that one for?
It's turning red.
Let me see.
I have my backpack here. I'm going to put all of them in a second.
Dude, this is the same one. It's glowing in the dark.
It's turning.
No, look, Jefferson, your chocolate. It got on my pants. Ugh, I have chocolate in my pants now because of you. Yes. Yeah, look. Ew, don't touch his dirty chocolate. Jefferson. Ew.
How could this one be? What happened when you...
More chocolate, please.
You guys, my hands are turning red.
These are cool.
Say thank you. You're welcome.
These ones are cool. Look at mine right now.
Ouch, what happened? Oh, you're welcome. He was going to say something else.
Wait, let me see if this... Let me see. For real?
Guys, if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure to go in the description. Go down. You should pause this video and then go down and hit that subscribe button so you guys can be subscribed. And make sure to hit that bell button so you can get notified when we post another video. And don't forget, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And
These are
and
cool.
comment down below which one was your favorite. Was it the spider who changes colors? Was it the
I'm gonna tell you which.
Martian kind of dude? I don't know. Did you like the goblin?
Who glows in the dark?
Yeah. Or did you like
That one
the
glows in the
mummy?
dark. Glows in the dark too.
Or did you like the alien?
Wait,
We don't
is that
know
a?
which one he
Yeah,
does.
that one's.
Or did you like
Yay! Look at this one.
monster? I don't know what kind of monster.
Bye.
Or did you like these two?
They look just similar, by the way.
Okay, Jefferson, let's say bye to our friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Toys Unboxing.
Real hard.